it's freezing outside. It's quite warm on the top. It's quite hot inside. Now she said that I should open the lid a little bit and let it cool like that. She said to take a piece of paper and put it inside. And if it starts to smoke, sure dried the paper out. She also said to open both holes now. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. I turned it off at 5 o'clock last night. She said when you put your hand in, it's definitely hot there. Okay. So I'll leave it like that. Hope that's the right thing to do. Okay, bye-bye.